Hello everyone. Today we have a job update from Amazon and it is a digital marketing associate role and the job location is Chennai. Here you can see the description, which is a long one, where they are telling that your primary responsibility is to perform a marketing operations to improve the visibility of the content in Amazon Prime Video. And then in this role you will require to quickly understand the marketing tools and the operations workflow tools. And also you need to continuously adapt to the new features of the program and improve your acumen to quickly edit and fix up the contents. And you will have to follow the editing SOP to spot or catch the errors in the content. And also you need to perform content quality checks to qualify the user experience for the content viewing. And also you should be a team player who come up with the improvement ideas to the direct report and should be improving the editing or QA process. And also you will need to often contact the stakeholders globally to provide the status report and communicate the relevant information and escalate whenever needed. And this role is actually an individual contributor role, and also this requires a graduate degree with the exposure to MS Office and comfort with the numbers. And also they are telling like you should have attention to detail skill, good communication skill and professional demeanor. And also you should be comfortable working with the night shift and flexible to extend the support during the critical business requirement. So these are the things that you will need to do. Basically this is like a operational and marketing role where you will be working in the Amazon Prime to look after the content and improving it. And then if you look into the basic qualifications here, they are telling that you should have completed a undergraduation in any stream and you should have analytical knowledge to solve the basic mathematical and logical problems. And they are telling that you should be familiar using the Excel function and then the ability to communicate effectively. And you need to have a strong attention to detail in the editing content and also deep dive and identify the root causes and issues. You should be good at problem solving, data analysis, troubleshooting issues and related to the content editing. Basically you will be looking after the content where if there is some error or anything that is not correctly edited, you will be actually reporting that and making it right. That's what actually basically they are telling in the qualifications, like in the basic qualification. And then if we look into the preferred qualification, they are telling like you should have the ability to meet the deadlines in a fast paced work environment driven by the complex software systems and processes, and you should be a self starter and a good team player. Then they are telling that you should have a good interpersonal skill to manage the ongoing relationship with the program team and inter operations team. And also you should have the working knowledge of XML standards, and that would be a added advantage, and also a knowledge and experience in digital marketing industry, and this is a big plus. That's about this role. If you are interested to apply for this role, you can find the apply link in the description. And also if you found this video helpful, please hit the like button, subscribe and share it to your friends. And finally, if you have any doubts, please let us know in the comment section. We will try to help you as soon as possible. And we will meet you in the next video. Until then, take care and bye.